Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I would do an unboxing, but I already wore them. These are the Veja Campo sneakers, and yeah, let's do a first impressions today. So as I mentioned, these are the Veja Campo sneakers, the low top version, and I recently purchased this with a gift card that I got when I purchased these Celine sunglasses from Bloomingdale's. So I had the gift card, it was worth $125 or so, so these I think are worth $175, so I did pay out of pocket around $60. And honestly, even if I didn't have the gift card, these are so worth it because after the first two wears, my feet weren't hurting at all, and I really love that because I do have wide feet, and usually I'll have like some kind of pain like right over here, but I didn't have that at all. The back of the shoe also was really comfortable to wear, and then also the tongue as well. I didn't have any issues at all with any part of the shoe, and I'm actually pretty surprised. So as I mentioned, I did wear them 2 days and for a long time too. So I went out to these in lunch, and then to a coffee shop, and then to a barbecue, and then the next day I wore them to church, and then lunch, and then yeah, all of that, a lot of standing around, and these shoes held up really great on the feet. Overall, I'm really impressed with the shoe. When I feel the shoe like all around, it's so soft and cushiony, and because of the material, I feel like it's going to be really easy to clean as well. Let me actually give you a close-up. So here's what the side looks like, and again, I've already worn them 2 days. I haven't cleaned them yet, but as you can see, like, the top part is very nice and clean still, but the bottom is actually pretty dirty, and I really like that the, what do you call this? The sole is like an off-white color, just because if it was white, you could definitely tell that they are more dirty than they are. But yeah, so here's what it looks like here on this side of the shoe. In the front, it's especially kind of dirty. I don't know, I think it was the way I was standing. The inside of the shoe, it looks really great as well. And then here we have the back of the shoe. As you can see, it's also really dirty too. But again, it's a rubber sole, so I figured that it should not be that hard to clean. So that was one shoe. Let me go ahead and give you a close-up of the other shoe. So here is this one. This is the left shoe. Here's the front. Again, see, it's pretty dirty, but pretty sure I can clean that off. Here's the inside of the shoe, and then the back. So originally I did buy these because I do have an upcoming trip to Barcelona, and I really wanted like a white sneaker that's gonna go with all of my outfits, and I'm really happy that these ones are also too very comfortable, so I could see myself wearing these all day long just exploring the city. So yeah, if you were thinking about getting these, I definitely do think they are worth it. I have heard a lot of people talk really highly of these, saying that they're very comfortable shoes, and now I can kind of chime in myself and also mention and tell you that they are very comfortable as well. I really thought I was going to have to break them in, but it doesn't seem like I'm going to have to do that because they are very soft and very comfortable right off the bat if you wear them right out of the box. Also, I want to mention I did wear these with the Aritzia TNA socks. I'll put a picture right over here, but they are pretty kind of thick socks, and to be able to wear these with these shoes, they were actually still really comfortable as well. So I did not need to wear like a thinner sock just because I have wide feet with these shoes. So yeah, really impressed with that, and again, really just so happy with these shoes. Also, I'm not sure if you noticed, but I decided not to lace up my shoe all the way, so I did stop at the second hole. I did this so that my ankle and foot has just a little bit more space to move, and it doesn't really affect my walking at all, so my heel doesn't lift up or anything like that. But yeah, I just find it more comfortable to walk around in if I don't lace it up all the way. And yeah, those are my first impressions of the Veja Campo sneakers. Let me know if you have any questions about them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!